2017 BMW 3 Series GT update includes 2 new engines. BMW is preparing to launch the latest BMW 3 Series Gran Turismo in time for the start of summer. Blending the elegance of a coupe with the spaciousness of a luxury sedan and the boot capacity of a station wagon, the 3 Series Gran Turismo has developed into a firm fixture of the mid-size class over the last 3 years. Its biggest sales markets are China, Germany and the USA, and the majority of BMW 3 Series Gran Turismo customers are new to the BMW brand. The new version of the Gran Turismo cuts a visibly sportier figure, and the 3 petrol and 5 diesel engines in the range offer noticeably higher output. All the engines are turbocharged and burn up to 14% less fuel. The interior, meanwhile, impresses with its high-quality materials. The new user interface for the navigation system professional, taken from BMW's luxury class cars, and even better smartphone connectivity. More dynamic looks and an even greater feeling of luxury inside. At 4,824 mm in length, the BMW 3 Series Gran Turismo is around 200 mm longer than the other members of the BMW 3 Series family. And that takes it close to luxury class territory. The design of the new BMW 3 Series Gran Turismo, which has been sculpted to visibly greater dynamic effect at both the front and rear, heightens the impression of class. The new, standard-fitted LED headlights for dipped and high beam and the LED front fog lamps lend the BMW 3 Series Gran Turismo a more sporting appearance. The car has a visually broader stance on the road. And the combination of updated LED rear lights and more zestful lines brings extra brawn to the rear styling. Thanks for subscribe.